Okay, right. I put it to you, you're drunk, and you say you're not. So I'm going to ask you to do it. No, this is my time.
Okay.
I need you to walk a straight line. Can you walk a straight line, Miss Goodman?
Well, I'm more drunk than you are.
Yeah.
But I put it to you, Mr. Huggins, that I can still walk a straight line.
Right, okay. On the count of 3, ready?
Yeah?
Go. No, stop. 3.
What?
1, 2, 3. Walk straight line. You're fucked. You've got no chance. Go on in. No, see? That's what I'm saying. What about turn it? What about doing a right angle? That's it. Okay. Go on then. Up you go. Keep going. I'm videoing you still. That's it. You went all funny then. No, I stopped ages ago.